Now our work is not yet done. What we have achieved in what is called fiscal stability is envied around the world, praised and admired. Whenever people talk about a country that has recovered and maintained political stability, Jamaica is the case study. You who are here must be part of the army of what I like to call the thinking Jamaicans. All of you here must be ambassadors and agents for good and well thinking in the country. Because we exist in an age of toxicity in information. Some of what we are feeding our minds will lead us to make bad decisions. And so, let it be known that I pay attention to every poll. You have never heard me comment on a poll. And I won't start commenting on poll because I remember the polls that said I couldn't be leader of the party. I remember the polls that said he couldn't win in 2016. I remember all of the polls that we proved them wrong. But I am happy that the polls are saying what they are saying. You know why? Because it has spurred up the Labourites. Some of them was sleeping. Some of them get comfortable. Some of them was an easy ride. But it's no time that every Labourite in Jamaica, every West Indian Jamaican must rise to their feet and support good government. So I want the polls to continue. Because now is when I see the Labourites them start to, boss, you have to do more work, boss. Yes! Don't sit down and believe that because we have good government, that everybody know and understand. Ignorance is still in the land. Unless every PV worker, every indoor agent, every outdoor agent, every runner, all of you who come and say we are big supporter, we are big Labourite, and the only thing you know we say show up. That alone can help us. You need to listen to what is said on the platform, and we need to feed our people the right information so that they can go back in the market, in the school, in the church, in the bars, and challenge those people who spread lies and rumors and ignorance because they have nothing but investment in the destruction of the country. We must never allow PNPism to come back in Jamaica.